Hi guys, this is another video about well, bash and scripting, because I had a what if just now. I have created 2 new themes for Plasma, and I would like to that the Nemesis script that it's going to add the themes if on Plasma. Otherwise I don't need those themes at all. So is there a way to tell the system install extra software, but then with an if clause? If I am on Plasma, install it. Don't install it anywhere else. That's the point. So install core software, definitely true. I find that it needs to be on my machine. It's not gonna be on the ISO. We're gonna keep it clean and small, and that's what you wanted basically. So all the B's are small without too much add-ons. So that means you have to install later on all these things that are missing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reuse a script that we've done on ArcoLinux ISO when we create an ISO. Any of these guys will do, but this one, for instance, Arch ISO, and then here and here and here and there is going to check, is going to check in here, and this thing we're gonna check is STM, is Plasma installed. If Plasma is there, then we do something. So this can be reused. That's all we need. So all the way down, copy paste. Package is not SDM, but we need to know if we're on Plasma, and is Plasma actually a package? Sudo pacman -s Plasma, enter, because I think it's a meta package, and that's why I'm saying it. So better package would be kwin maybe, and then we know we're on Plasma. So if kwin is there in all our desktops, or Plasma desktop is a better one. That's a better one. But because kwin can always also be used with LXQT, for example. So this one really is just Plasma. Control Shift C, Plasma desktop. So if Plasma desktop, oh my god, Plasma desktop can be found if the package is there. So this should have 0 effect now. Pacman -q Plasma desktop. Voila. That's strange. Do I have Plasma installed? All right. I've got Plasma installed. And this is the ISO builder. What goes on here? Oh my god. So if that package is there, what do we do then? Then we install some more. So this one can go. Then we say to, wow, what's all that? Then we say sudo pacman -s. I'm not gonna confirm, and if it's already there, but it's not gonna be there, then need it, and then the names. ArcoLinux Plasma. I like to have the Nordic darker candy git. I know, incredible long names. It all matters because it has to do with later on in 4 years time still knowing what it is. Now I know it's for Plasma. It works on the theme Nordic, right? And it has candy icons, and that's it. The cursor, yeah, is bpata. Sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux Plasma. I see everything is still open. Close. ArcoLinux Plasma, and then Arc Dark Candy. That's it. Plasma Arc Dark Candy. Voila, saved. So if Plasma is indeed available on my machine, on my computer, that means I have a Plasma system, then you can go and install the ArcoLinux Plasma Nordic Dark Git. Okay, typos, right? Control S. That's it. I have now made a trigger that if, then it will be installed, and we're gonna test it out later on. Off it goes. Script to install themes for Plasma. Only right. Off it goes. Ta-da! Finished. Cheers.